Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we're going to be doing a little bit of game testing on the N10 Nord from OnePlus that you can get from Metro by T-Mobile. So we're going to go ahead and test out a few games on this device. The first game that I do want to start out with is Genshin Impact. So let's go ahead and begin and just see how this device does perform. Okay guys, so with this device we are getting a Snapdragon 690 5G. So this is actually pretty cool. Let's go ahead and play a little bit of this game real quick. And it actually looks crystal clear. Let's turn up the brightness just a little bit. Okay, there we go. And let me see if there's anything on the map. Let me see, where is it trying to take me? Let me see. Okay, cool. Let's see if there's... Climb this mountain. What's here? Alright, this is pretty cool. So this device does have, let me just talk about like the specs on here just in case you're not aware. It does have 6 gigabytes of RAM, stereo speakers, a 90 Hertz refresh rate. As far as the graphics, it's the Adreno 619L, which is pretty nuts. But all around, it's going to provide a really smooth game performance, as you can see right here. You know, no headaches, nothing like that. So, you know, you could pretty much, you know, have a really good time with this game. This game looks really fun. I could probably play this for hours, but, you know, like, you know, I have other things that I need to do, so I can't really play this as much as I want to. But this is an awesome game. It looks really sick on this device as well. So let me just go to that portal. I think that's where I had to go. Is that portal, or down here somewhere? Oh, that was sick. This is like parkour. Here we go. And this device does offer you 128 gigabytes of internal memory of storage. I mean, so you know. Wait, I'm kind of new to this game, so I'm trying to figure out what this is saying. It says that I have to be unlocked. Though it lies deep underground, the strong winds filled every corridor of the ruin. Don't be discouraged. Find the treasure within the ruin. So you gotta find these right here. Recommended elements. Yeah, but this game is really sick, guys. Let me jump to the next one. Alright, guys, so the next game that we're going to be playing is going to be, let me see what we got here. 406 pixels per inch, full HD, 2400 by 1080 on here, so it does look quite good. So let's just test out 2K Mobile on here. Okay, so let's see, let me run the court real quick. There we go, we got a quick shot up. And yeah, the graphics look really smooth. I like how the frame rates are moving on here. It's actually very playable. A lot more playable than a lot of other budget. Oh wow, I almost got that steal right there, but that left him open because we were double teaming. Let me see. Yeah, I really like this gameplay and performance. There's no hiccups on the graphics right now, but Let's see. Oh, there he's wide open. Ah. Alright, so yeah, this does look really smooth, guys. Let me jump into another game now. The other thing I noticed is it's a 4,300 milliamp hour battery inside of here, so it has some pretty decent weight to it. It doesn't feel cheap, although this does feel like plastic. Pretty decent, and the graphics do go to high frame rates and HD, but not HDR.
Team match, let's go.
So let's see how many kills I can get within a short matter of time. I got one, but I actually sacrificed myself in the process. Oh, I just seen someone right there. Aw, damn. Alright, I'm gonna just ambush them like they did. Wait, how did he even hit me? It was mad delayed. Ooh, that was dope. Yeah, that was fire right there. Hurry up, reload. There we go. Haha. I just caught 3 in a row. That was nuts. Ah, I ran out of ammo at that moment. Yeah, this is sick right here. This game plays really sick. I'm having a really competitive match here. I'm locked in. Oh, there goes an op. Oh, there was like 3 people shooting at me at once. All right, come on, one more kill, one more kill. Ah, I meant to dive. At least he caught a body. Let's go. One more kill. All right, let's come from this way. That way they're not anticipating my entrance. Got him. All right, cool. So guys, let's check out the settings right here. It's on very high. It could even go to max. Let's do max. All right, guys. So let's see how this. Wow, this looks really good. It's like really like. It's really responsive. The screen is like mad responsive. Hold on. Yeah, this looks like, this is probably the best I've seen it look because of how fast the screen is moving. Wow, that's nuts. What do you guys like better, Call of Duty Mobile or PUBG? Oh, I could have knifed him. Let me see, where's he at? Oh. Yeah, this looks fire. It's moving so quick. Oh wow, that was nuts. Alright, cool. I got the Hunter Killer drone. I just wasted it. Oh, he caught me in the belly. Pause. Let's go. Headshots. He even called it. That was crazy. Wait, let me get down. That was crazy. Who's shooting at me though? Hold on. Got him. Yeah, this is crazy. It looks so realistic too. Alright guys, that's a wrap, but it looks really good. I kind of don't want to end this one, but it looks so official. Alright, cool. Let me end this one. But thank you guys for staying locked in with me. This is the OnePlus Nord N10. It's really snappy, guys. I like how fluent this display is at 90 Hertz. But if you found this video helpful in any way possible, let me know down below, and I'll check you guys later. Get right back with you later. Good peace.